This week we put the plumbing on the sewage line, PVC coming from the house all the way down to the alley. We also put a new clean out here, so if it happens something similar to what happened last week, we were able to tap into that and clear everything. This week we had the plumbing fixtures installed. We have the faucet, we also have the backsplash. Also backsplash in the kitchen. The faucet installed. Next we will have the range installed, the pending lights that are missing, and also the mirror, custom-made mirror with a vanity light and the shower glass enclosure. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.